A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 2 on application of derivative theory part. So let us start lecture number 2 on application of derivative. Basically in this lecture we'll be doing problems based on geometrical interpretation of derivative. Find the point on the curve y is equal to root x minus 3 where the tangent is perpendicular to line root 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Let a required point be PAB. Since it lies on line, it lies on the curve. Curve y is equal to root x minus 3. Therefore, b is equal to root a minus 3. Equation number 1. Also, y is equal to root x minus 3. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root into derivative of x minus 3 will be what? 1. So slope of tangent at PAB is equal to dy by dx at PAB will be 1 upon 2 root a minus 3. Since tangent is perpendicular on line 6x plus 3y, whose slope is what? Minus 6 by 3 minus 2. Therefore, slope of tangent will be negative reciprocal 1 by 2. But slope of tangent 1 upon 2 root a minus 3. So 1 upon 2 root a minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 root a minus 3 is equal to 1. So a minus 3 implies a is what? 4. Since b is what? Root a minus 3. So b will be root 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So b will be plus or minus 1. So required point is PAB corresponds to a is what? 4 and b will be plus or minus 1. Exactly same we find the point on the curve. y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x, where the tangents are parallel to this line. Let PAB be required point on curve y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. Therefore, we get b is equal to a cube minus 2a square minus a. Equation number 1. Since y is equal to x cube minus 2x square, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 1. So slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent at PAB dy by dx at PAB is equal to 3a square minus 4a minus 1. Since tangent is parallel to line, parallel to line, 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, whose slope is what? Minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to 3. So slope of tangent will also be 3. But slope of tangent we calculated 3a square minus 4a minus 1. So 3a square minus 4a minus 1 is equal to 3. 3a square minus 4a minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. 3a square minus 6a plus 2a minus 4 is equal to 0. 3a common, a minus 2 plus 2 common, a minus 2 is equal to 0. So a minus 2 common. So a is what? 2, or a is what? Minus 2 by 3. Since b is what? A cube minus 2a square minus a. Therefore b will be what? 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square, 8 minus 8 minus 2 will give you what? Minus 2. Or b will be minus 2 by 3 cube minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 square minus of minus 2 by 3. Minus 8 by 27. This will be minus 4 to the 8 by 9 plus 2 by 3. 27 LCM. Minus 8 minus 24 plus 18. Minus 32 plus 18 is what? Minus 14 upon 20 is equal. Therefore, required points are when x is 2, AB corresponds to 2 minus 2 and second point will be what? Minus 2 by 3 minus 14 by 27. Find equations of tangent to the curve. Okay. Find equations of tangents to the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, which are parallel to x-axis. Since tangents are parallel to x-axis, therefore slope of tangent is equal to 0. But slope of tangent is what? Dy by dx. Since x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Differentiating with respect to x. For 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 minus 4 dy by dx plus 0 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 plus 2y minus 4 so 2y minus 4 dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. Dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x upon 2y minus 4 will give you a 1 minus x upon y minus 2. Since dy by dx is what? 0, therefore 1 minus x upon y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 1 minus x is equal to 0. So x is what? 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation of curve, we get 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. So y square minus 4y, y common. So either y0 or y2. So required points will be what? 1, 0. Required points are 1, 0 and 1, 2. At which tangents are parallel to x-axis. Therefore, equations of required tangents will be y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Find equations of normals to the curve 3x square minus y square is equal to 8, which are parallel to line this. Since 3x square minus y square is equal to 8, differentiating with respect to x, 6x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2y dy by dx is equal to 6x. So dy by dx is equal to 3x upon y. Therefore, slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx is equal to minus y upon 3x. Since normal is parallel to line, x plus 3y is equal to 4, whose slope is minus 1 upon 3. So slope of normal is what? Minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, minus 1 of y upon 3x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So y upon x is equal to 1. So y is same as x. Since 3x square minus y square is equal to 8, therefore 3x square minus y is same as x. So 2x square is what? 8. So x square will be 4. So x will be what? Plus minus 2. Since y is same as x, so y will be plus minus 2. Therefore, points on curve will be 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 2. Now slope of normal we know it is minus 1 by 3. Therefore, equations of required normals in slope point form are y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into and y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x plus 2. 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. And 3y plus 6 is equal to minus x minus 2. So x plus 3y is equal to 8 and x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. So these are equations of norms. If the line y is equal to 4x minus 5 touches the curve, this at point 2, 3. Since y is equal to 4x minus 5, touches the curve, y square is equal to ax cube plus b at point 2, 3. So this implies line touches means line will become tangent. The slope of this line is what? 4. Therefore, slope of tangent at 2, 3 is equal to 4. Also, point 2, 3 lies on curve. Therefore, we get 3 square is equal to a into 2 cube plus b. So 27 is equal to 8a plus b. So 8a plus b is equal to 27. Equation number 1. Also, y square is equal to ax cube plus b. Differentiating with respect to x. 2y dy by dx is equal to 3a x square. Therefore, dy by dx is what? 3a x square upon 2y. The slope of tangent at 2, 3 is equal to dy by dx at 2, 3. 3a into 2 square upon 2 into 3, which is what? 2a. But slope of tangent is what? 4. But slope of tangent is equal to 4. So 2a is what? 4. A is 2. Since 8a plus b is what? 27. 8 into 2 plus b. So b is what? 27 minus 16. B is 11. Hence, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 11. One minute, sorry. 8A is equal to 9. D square is what? 9. There is a mistake. Three square is what? 9. I thought 3 cube. 8A plus B is what? 9. 8 into 2 plus B is what? 9. B is 9 minus 16. B is minus 7. A2 and B minus. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Since y coordinate changes 8 times as fast as x coordinate, therefore dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. This is given. Since y square 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, differentiating with respect to t, 6 dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. But dy by dt is what? 8 times dx by dt. So 6 into 8 dx by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. Reason from 1. Now from both the side dx by dt will get cancelled. So 48 is equal to 3x square. 48 is equal to 3x square. So x square is what? 16. So x will be plus minus 4. X is plus minus 4. Since 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, therefore 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2 or 6y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2. 6y is equal to 64 plus 2. So y is what? 11. Or 6y is equal to minus 64 minus 62. Y is minus 31 upon 3. Therefore, required points on curve are when x coordinate plus 4, y coordinate 11, and x coordinate minus 4, y coordinate minus 31 upon 3. Thank you very much. Journey of 1,000 miles begin with one step. यानी आपको हजारों किलोमीटर चलना हो, लाखों किलोमीटर चलना हो लाइफ में, तो पहला कदम से स्टार्ट होता है. जब तक आप पहला कदम उठाओगे नहीं, आगे बढ़ नहीं पाओगे. तो you always take your first step for a big distance. Thank you very much.